Welcome to part 11 of the Citizens Policy Center training. In this one, Allie and Patrick will continue to show you how to upload an application. And this episode is brought to you by Specialty Insurance Agents of Florida. Be sure to check out all of the benefits of membership. But I want to take a special moment and thank the fine folks at Nation Safe Drivers who are celebrating 50 years of service. So you be sure to check them out at www.nsdmc.com. This lesson was brought to you by Affinity Insurance Agency, so you be sure to contact them before you renew your E&O insurance.
Same way. So we'll need to upload each of these documents individually. Right? And so it's also important that we name the document something meaningful to help us stay organized and avoid any binding violations. Right? So if we have a photograph, for example, that we want to upload, and that file name is 12345, we just want to make sure that when we upload that file, we name it something a little bit more meaningful, like photograph, maybe. All right, so I'm going to show you an example. We'll go ahead and click on two photographs, and what this will do, if you notice that some of these buttons here were grayed out, once I clicked on it, I could upload it, link or unlink. I'm going to go ahead and click on upload, and then I will browse my computer, and this is the same way that you would upload any document from your computer. All right, so notice on my desktop, the file on my computer's name was photos. So if you take a look at the name, it automatically fills it out for us with the name of the file. However, you have the option to change this name field here. So I could change that name field to whatever I'd like. All right, I also have the option to type in a description if I wish in the description field. All right, and then at the bottom there with the asterisk next to it, it says document types. And now it's already set to required documents for us, so we'll leave that as it is and click on OK. All right, so notice when we change the name from photos to photographs, the name field appears in the linked document column next to that line item. So you see it here, it says photographs. All right, so we can double check that we uploaded the correct document by clicking on the link. And what this will do is open up a new browser window and show you the document. Right? So if you need to close that window, you will have to click the X at the top, or else that window won't go away otherwise. All right, so say if you click that button and you found that you uploaded the wrong document. In the system, you will not be able to remove the document. However, you can unlink it by checking the box. And if you check the box, you'll notice you have the option to unlink. And we can always unlink this document from our line item, right? And then at that point, we can either upload another file or link it to the correct one. All right, so I unlinked it, and I'm going to go ahead and use photographs again. All right, so when I click OK to upload this, we'll see on the notification banner that it's giving me an error message telling me that an issue has been encountered with the file name, size, or file type. All right, so we received this error message because I used the same name for another file. All right, so earlier we just uploaded a document and named it photographs. Now we're trying to name another document photographs, and it will not allow for us to use duplicate names. So instead, we will have to change that name. And once we click on OK, it should allow for us to move through the system. All right, so you'll see in that linked document, now it has the new document uploaded called current photograph. All right, and so another option that you have is if you've already uploaded the document, we can check the box next to the line item and select link. And what this will do is bring up a list of all documents that have been uploaded, and we can click select next to whatever it is that we need to link. So I'm just going to click select here and link this document. All right, so when you use the link button, all of the documents that you've uploaded will display there. So we would have to upload the other two documents there. All right, so we want to include descriptive names for the documents, and then also please make sure that you upload all the correct required documents to avoid binding violations. And Patrick, do you mind talking to us a little bit about binding violations?